Along the quiet rivers of Africa lives one of the deadliest predators on Earth. Its jaws can crush bones with astonishing force. Yet in a few moments, something unbelievable is about to happen.
The tiny bird moves closer, while the crocodile doesn't move at all.
Every step could be its last. But instead of attacking, something extraordinary happens. For most animals, getting this close would mean certain death. Yet the giant predator shows no sign of attacking. The bird begins searching between the crocodile's teeth. The bird begins searching between the crocodile's teeth. At first glance, it looks almost impossible to believe. Why would such a deadly predator allow this? The answer may be hidden in one of nature's oldest survival strategies. In the wild, survival often depends on cooperation, not just strength. Many animals benefit from unexpected partnerships. This relationship has fascinated people for centuries. But is this famous story completely true? Scientists continue to study these rare interactions. Whether fact or legend, the idea has fascinated explorers for centuries. Crocodiles spend hours resting to conserve energy. Crocodiles spend hours resting to conserve energy. During these quiet moments, smaller animals often come surprisingly close. The bird searches carefully for tiny bits of leftover food. Every movement in the wild is a balance between risk and reward. A single mistake could change everything. But patience is often the greatest survival skill. The crocodile wastes no energy on unnecessary movement. In nature, trust is never guaranteed. Yet these peaceful moments remind us that nature is full of surprises. The crocodile's powerful jaws can crush almost anything, but right now they remain perfectly still. Every second, the bird stays alert to even the smallest movement. a relationship built on perfect timing and constant awareness. Nature rewards patience more often than speed. Whether legend or reality, this story reminds us how extraordinary nature can be. As the evening grows quieter, both animals remain completely at ease. The crocodile watches silently, conserving every bit of energy. As the African sun begins to disappear, both animals quietly return to their own lives. In nature, not every encounter ends in violence. Sometimes, survival is simply about understanding the moment. The wild is full of mysteries, and every day it reminds us that even the smallest creatures can share the world with its mightiest predators.